congratulations to a successful 6th Food Packaging Forum workshop. How was your day?
Thanks, Karim. We actually had a great day. We had many interesting presentations, looking at toxicological aspects, looking at the challenges of analytical chemistry. We heard about values in decision making, and we heard very practical aspects from people who actually make food packaging or food and put it on the market. And we had very interesting discussions.
So you hosted a podium discussion in the afternoon. How did that go?
I think it went really well. We had diverse panelists coming from very different backgrounds, and we had representatives of a consumer organization who stressed that the public, the general public in Europe, is actually very concerned about chemicals in everyday products. 84% actually of Europeans responded positively to that. And now we have a big question: what are we going to do with that information? How are we going to improve the quality of products to have less hazardous chemicals? On the other hand, does that maybe mean that we have to compromise on convenience, for example? Will it have economic implications? And so these are very practical questions that need addressing. And of course, we couldn't solve all of that in one day. But we had an example of a retailer, Coop Denmark, spoke at our workshop today and mentioned how they're actually doing almost a kind of activism. They're like an NGO. They're writing petitions to regulators in Denmark to push for bans to get rid of known hazardous chemicals. And it's baby steps, but I think eventually we will reach our goal of improving food packaging to better protect public health by removing these hazardous chemicals.
So this was the 6th workshop that the Food Packaging Forum has organized, 6th annual workshop. What do you think? How has the workshop developed over the years?
Well, my stress levels are much lower this time round compared to the first workshops. I really want to thank the team. They've done an amazing job organizing. We didn't have any major problems this year, and the best feedback that I get from the participants is that they found it incredibly interesting and that they're going to come back next year. And yeah, so what else could I ask for?
All right, Jane, thank you very much.
Thanks.